Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to pack my Samsung Note 10 Plus, just a phone by itself without the case and everything. So I'm going to do a master reset on this phone before I send it out, because on the instruction it says place this trade-in return authorization inside your package, and then does the device turn on? Yes. Will device be factory reset? Yes. Is the device free of cracks? Yes. So I will need to send this form inside the box, and then on the top section right here, there's a return shipping label already, so I'm ready to ship it out. So first of all, I need to take out my case. By the way, if you guys are wondering, this is a MACDADDYPIMPPING case. It is fully protect. And before you ship it out, make sure you take out your SIM card or your memory card, okay? I got my SIM eject tool right here. Make sure you push in straight and then just eject it. Okay, there you go. So I only have the SIM card right here. And it give you a warning, unable to detect a SIM card. So you need to go to your setting, icon gear right there, and you're gonna scroll, you're gonna go to account and backup, and click on reset. And right here, you're gonna select factory reset. This will reset your phone to its factory default setting. This will erase all data, including files and download apps, okay? And just scroll all the way down and then click on reset. And you have a PIN number you need to enter in. And it will ask you all personal information and download app will be erased and can be recovered. So delete all. Data that has been backed up to the USB card won't be erased. You can restore SD card data using a smart switch after the reset. Alright, so now it's shutting it down. Erasing. So I remove the case, and I'm going to install the SIM card in here now. This is the first time. Now it shows AT&T, okay? Put it back in my case. By the way, this one is the sub case, in case you guys are wondering. This one is the military standard with the drop protection. And give me this message: service provider update. Your device will restart to configure features supported by the new SIM card. So the phone is restarting. So I got the box here already, and then I have a bubble wrap.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Alright, so this is back to its original factory setting now when you purchase your phone. So as you see, it is spanking new. I didn't even remove the plastic around the bottom or on the top. That's why you can see the scratch. You can peel it off, but I'm not going to do that right now. Also on the backing, it is still have this plastic. Still have this plastic seal. I mean protected.
Voice assistant on. Samsung setup wizard.
What?
Voice guide on. Double tap. Accessibility. Accessibility. Showing item 1 of 1.
Can't accidentally press it, but
Collapsed. Using one back. Showing items. Turn off button. Voice assistant off.
so yeah, I don't really need to send in the phone with the original box and accessory. All they want is to send this phone back. That's it. So going to shut it off. To power off, press and hold the side and volume down key. So now you get power off. Alright, and then that's it. I'm going to wrap this in here. And then I'm going to add some more popcorn and more extra protection in here before I slap on the shipping label. Alright, so anyway, that's how you ship your old phone back to Samsung. And after that, I will need to drop this off at the FedEx station. And be sure to get your receipt when you drop this off, in case there's a problem. Although you have a tracking number and order ID number right here on your receipt, you want to snap a picture of it, just in case Samsung say that they never receive it. Alright, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.